sitting at your desk, rubbing your temples or rubbing your forehead, really just generally feeling like your head's about to explode. Sometimes when we've been at something, particularly detailed work or complex work, for too long, we're really in this state of mental overload. One of the ways you can help yourself feel mentally refreshed throughout the day is to balance those deep thinking tasks with lighter thinking tasks. So actually, I know a really great writing specialist, and she talks about making sure in our writing we have periods of light and dark. So, we might have a heavy topic, but then we lighten it with some humour. I think of it the same. When we're really throughout our day and we're working in different things, try and balance it up with a bit of light and dark. Really heavy stuff, then go maybe from that to a whiteboard, do some mind mapping, get out of that detailed, heavy, down the rabbit hole, I call it, and into a more creative space and freshen up your mind a little bit. Obviously, what we want you to be doing is going outside and having a walk or taking a few deep breaths, doing some mindfulness, whatever it might be for you. But if you can't do that, if you're feeling too pressured about the work you've got to get done, just try and balance out your tasks. It's one way to avoid this mental overload and this really sort of mental stress state that we can get in. I recognise it quite commonly in myself because I tend to do a lot of deep work. And I know when I start doing this, it's time to kind of do something. Go and draw a picture, draw a model. I love creating models out of my thinking to make it a little bit easier to communicate to you. Sometimes I'm really good at that and sometimes I'm not so good at that. So here's your plan. Whenever you find yourself going like that or frowning, you'll notice I've got some pretty good frown lines going on. Whenever you feel like it, your head's a bit heavy and about to explode, think about stepping out of the heavy work you're doing and going to doing something a little bit lighter, less intense. You might even be picking up some papers and filing. How many times a day do you clean your desk, trying to find a new system to make yourself more effective or more efficient? Maybe that's the way you do it. Maybe you just go and pot around your desk to get out of that really heavy thinking. Whatever you do, just make sure you notice it next time you're starting to feel a bit heavy in the mind and find a way to go and balance that. Enjoy.